Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever tried uploading a video to Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or even a presentation and got hit with that annoying wrong size message, don't worry. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resize your video in Canva fast, in less than 3 minutes. This works for any social media platform, and it's super beginner friendly. Let's jump right in. First, open canva.com and log into your account. Once you're on the homepage, click on Create a Design in the top right corner. Here, you can choose your desired video dimensions based on where you want to upload it. For example, 1920 by 1080 for YouTube, 1800 by 1900, 20 for TikTok or Instagram Reels, 1800 by 1800 for Instagram posts. Choose the size that fits your platform so your video doesn't get cropped later. Now let's upload your video. On the left panel, click Uploads, then select the Videos tab. Click Upload Files and choose your video from your device. Make sure it's in a supported format like MP4 or MOV. Wait a few seconds for it to finish uploading. If it's a big file, give it a moment to process. Once uploaded, simply click on the video thumbnail and it will appear on your blank Canva canvas. Now we're ready to resize. Click on the video so the corner handles appear around it. To resize, just click and drag from any corner. If you want to keep the original aspect ratio, meaning no stretching or weird distortion, just hold the Shift key while dragging. Position the video wherever you want on the canvas. You can enlarge it to fill the background, make it smaller for picture-in-picture style, or center it perfectly using Canva's alignment guides. Before saving, hit the play button above to preview your resized video and make sure everything looks clean and professional. If you're happy with it, click Share in the top right corner, then select Download. Choose MP4 video, hit Download, and you're done. Your resized video is now ready to post or share anywhere. And that's it. Super fast and easy, right? If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want to see more Canva tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.